Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're going to be making some alternate using the April 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit Inked Occasions. Okay, but before we get started on our alternate, let's go over some buzzworthy business of the day. First, we have our Full of Charm Paper Pumpkin Kit. It's going to make 9 cards. Pretty Peacock is going to be the Stampin' ink spot. We have the Hugs of Bloom Dies add-on for $12 that coordinate with April, May, and June Paper Pumpkin Kits. And we have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin. Oh, and this kit coordinates with the Floral Charm Suite collection that's in the new catalog, okay? Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program. You earn 10% on all orders $20 or more before tax and shipping. You can redeem your rewards on future orders. You track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up! Account, and rewards expire after 12 months of the earning date, okay? That is our Stampin' Rewards program. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm asking just $30 for each box. Shipping is included in that price. So if you're interested in getting you a mystery box, go ahead and email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Okay, and that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let's get started on our project. Okay, so today we're going to be making alternative that is using a Berry Burst card base, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. We have our inside pieces here, basic black, 5 by 3 3/4, and then the basic white is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And we have a piece of scrap here that looks about a 1/2 inch. And we're gonna place this at the bottom of our basic white, just like that. Again, I told you guys, I don't really measure these pieces. These are just like little leftover pieces that I have from making my cards. And I just use it to decorate the inside. So let me put this on here. We'll get our inside put together. And we can put this on the inside of our card base. Ooh. Just like that. Okay. Then I have some basic black here that is 5 1/4 by 4. No, it's not. Oh, is this one of... Am I using Kendra's card on this one? I keep telling you guys, I did these things a while ago. Let me see. I might be using one of her card sketches. No, I'm not. But this is 5.5 by 4. And I'm going to just put this on right down the middle of our card base. Just like that. Okay. Then I have a piece here from the kit that I cut to make the book binding. I cut the piece off to make the book binding card I showed you already. And we're going to pop this up on dimensionals. So let's go ahead and get some of those. Or take your pick tool and put one behind the centers of the flowers. Then I'm going to put a couple down here to hold the bottom of our card. Just like that. And we're going to take the backings off of here. I'm trying to make all of my little alternate videos quick and easy. I don't want to keep you here all day since I am posting these one a day. So I don't want to keep you here really long every day. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. So let's get this down here. Like that. Then we have our hugs from the kit. We're going to put some dimensionals on the back of here as well. And I think I'm going to need to cut these dimensionals in half. I'm just going to use some down here from the edge pieces. So let's get some of those. Come on. I need a couple of more. Uh-oh. Let me cut this dimensional because it evidently wants to be used. We'll cut this one in half as well. Well, no, I can put that right there. That's kind of big. I'm going to put one up here. And I feel like I need something right there and a little something on the S from Hugs. So hopefully that's skinny enough to go up here. Not quite like I want it, so I'm gonna just put that there. Get another skinny little sliver. I know this is gonna take long because of the dimensionals, but that's okay. It's worth it. We want our sentiment to look right, nice and popped up. And we're just gonna pop this onto our card front right there, like that. Then we're gonna get our low profile dots to add some bling. We have 3 gold ones left on this sheet. So let's see, let's put one here. Put one about right there. I guess we can put this one. I'll put it right there. Just like that. Our card done. That is so pretty. I love these colors. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.